welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2014 Peugeot 508. Now this model's got the keyless ignition on it, it's got that style key there and just the little start button down the side there. Now if I just put the ignition on, you can just see we've got the service light, the service warning stays up there, we've got the little spanner on the dash, and then it's also saying up on here once that clears that the interval's exceeded. And all we're going to do to start with is just start with the ignition off. And it's really straightforward reset. We're going to press and hold this button while pressing the start button there. Just do that now. Just keep your feet off the pedals while you do it. And you can just see this timer starts counting down from 10. Just let that get to 0. And it'll say the reinitialisation performed. Release the button. You can just simply turn the ignition off. And now when we start it up next time, that should all be reset now. So the spanner's off, the service is gone, and that's all clear. Hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.